Dozens are sick after celebrating at a well-known restaurant and banquet facility. The Rhode Island Health Department wants to know why 75 people somehow came down with symptoms of the norovirus after visiting the West Valley Inn in West Warwick. NBC 10's CIERRA PUTMAN joins us live from Providence, where health officials have just talked to reporters. CIERRA?
That's right. I'm here in Providence outside of the Rhode Island Health Department, where they just wrapped up a press conference about this issue. Now we know that contaminated food is not to blame for this issue. The department believes a sick person brought norovirus to the West Valley Inn. If you live in Rhode Island, chances are you've been to the West Valley Inn for a banquet or reception.
In my 16 years, probably 5,000 weddings.
Executive chef Steve SIMAS says most of them are a happy affair. But that wasn't the case for guests at an April 5th wedding in the Bella Room.
Monday I heard there was around 20 people that were seeking treatment for an illness.
Nearly 2 weeks later, the health department says it's received at least 74 reports of norovirus. It's a virus that's plagued many cruise ships already this year. Symptoms include vomiting and abdominal pain or cramps, to name a few. Norovirus is very contagious and can be spread in one of two ways. And although fecal matter can contaminate food and lead to the spread of the norovirus, the health department says that's not the case here at the West Valley Inn. Instead, they believe a contagious sick person is the one who spread it. The health department inspected the West Valley Inn on April 10th.
The health department determined that it was not a full foodborne illness, but a viral infection, which is passed from person to person.
The West Valley Inn gave NBC 10 a tour of its kitchen. It says workers were also checked to see if they could have spread the sickness. One person did test positive for norovirus, but the West Valley Inn doesn't think she caused the outbreak.
We had one hostess that was confirmed ill on a Tuesday, which was several days after the party.
And the health department does believe that this outbreak is finished. They say this is a very contagious and a very common virus. In fact, they have dealt with dozens of outbreaks in the last 6 months. Reporting live in Providence, CIERRA PUTMAN, NBC 10 News.